3, 2.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Culture Corner. I'm Lennon, and today I'm here with
Anna.
Asa.
Gael.
and Ava Grace. And today we're going to be talking about popular and trending TikTok foods.
Yes, let's get right in because I'm very hungry and I'm only getting.
course
We
you
have none
are.
of the food
Aye,
here
bro.
with us, so like.
What do you guys think
Yeah,
about
I think-
chamoy pickles?
Guys.
Chamoy pickles?
They look so
So
good.
bust.
I
Oh
want
my
to eat
God.
chamoy pickles.
I want to.
I had a chamoy pickle. Okay, I'll pull up a
Did
photo.
you?
Good.
Did you?
Bro,
I
I've
love
never
bro.
had one,
Bro,
but they look
Dubai
good.
chocolate actually looks so good, bro.
Ew.
Yeah.
Oh, I
It
saw
I
it in
tried to buy
CVS the
chocolate.
other
Is it good?
day.
It's not good.
No.
It looks disgusting because I don't like
I've seen it.
pistachio.
I don't like pistachio either.
It just the color just makes me.
But
a
oh
little-
my god, have you seen people
This
like
is me
with
after
that?
making a chamoy pickle.
Oh my god, that
Let me
looks
see.
so good.
Wait, let me
that
see.
looks really good.
So you add like the gummies inside, and then you add.
And then you
the
add
sauce.
the roll up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Landon, we gotta make one together.
It was
It looks
gross,
so
to be
good.
honest.
But then have you
I
seen
didn't
those
even
people
like
with
it.
like a cup of the cane sauce, and they just like
Oh my god,
Dip
their whole
everything. Just dip
I
everything
love
in
canes though. so-
Same.
it. Yeah.
Canes is so good.
The cane, like
I
my
want
least favorite thing
canes.
though is the bread. I actually don't even like it that much.
I think
The
it's not
toast?
terrible. I like the chicken. I think the
I like
chicken.
the
Everybody
fries.
loves the sauce.
Do they have
like
anything
the
else
one-
or do? Because I like. I
They
feel like
literally have sandwiches, but if you're getting a sandwich at
Then
I'd
canes,
like,
what?
are you doing?
Yo,
Like,
okay,
what are you
bro,
doing?
Get the 6-piece chicken nugget. The coleslaw is buns.
Buns.
I get the
Take out the
maniac
coleslaw.
combo.
Get like 2 bread. Like the. Oh yeah, word. Get the
Like the
get,
toast?
Get the caniac combo, but
But I usually
like you
share
can like
it.
switch
Oh
out
my
like the
God.
coleslaw for the bread. So do that. Get like 3
Ew,
breads
who
and
eats
6
the coleslaw? I just
I
throw
don't
it out.
I don't eat
No,
coleslaw.
you can switch it out. That's the hack.
Oh, you
Yeah,
can?
you can switch it out for like another piece of bread, cause the bread
You
carries.
can?
Okay, we're
Yeah,
giving.
the
I
bread
did not
carries
know that.
right now.
Huh?
So, okay,
bread.
so out of my 6 chicken fingers, I dip 3 in the sauce, and out of my 3,
He has a
He
ratio.
plans this before
He has
he
a
eats
ratio.
them.
He has a
I do
ratio
plan
of
it.
plain
okay,
to
I'm a very
sauce.
serious eater, bro. I'll get
yeah,
hot
we
pockets,
know.
bro. I destroy those things. But okay, so one.
You can
and then-
put
and then I-
Takis in chamoy pickles?
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
you. That's
yeah,
what.
yeah,
that's
yeah,
what
that's
you
what
do.
you do.
I need
You
to make
put
it a chamoy.
Takis inside
I've never
of it.
seen. Oh my god, that looks so good.
All right, let Asa finish with
Yeah.
his
Yeah,
order.
word.
All right.
Okay,
Gosh.
and then I dip 1 piece of bread in the sauce. Like the bread in the sauce is the best.
Yum.
The cake.
Yum.
This is what I do. So I like
It's like Ava Grace when she chimed in with "I love bacon."
I open like the bread, like I split it open a little bit, and then I put the chicken on it, and I put fries, and then I pour the sauce.
Yo,
over it, and
actually,
I
that
eat it
sounds
like,
good.
And I
That
eat it like
sounds
it's like a
good.
sandwich. It's actually
Yeah,
really
that
That sounds good.
I used to
What kind of
eat
sandwiches
when this
do
was
they
like
have?
popular on TikTok. The mustard and watermelon was good.
Mustard?
Yes, it
No!
was. It was
Mustard
good.
and watermelon.
Mustard and
It was
watermelon.
so good. I used to make it at my
Wait,
friend's
please
house.
explain that to me.
Okay, so it's like sweet and salty. It's stop.
No. You better take that back, or I'm just gonna spam these.
No.
Cause no,
Okay.
mustard and watermelon.
Mustard and watermelon.
Can you stop?
so
Can you
good.
stop, please? Thank you.
Okay,
It was bad.
just listen. Let me explain, bro.
What are you? He's just playing around with the side effects at this point.
Okay, let me have
Okay,
these
wait.
explain,
Let
guys.
her
This is why I go
explain.
next to the
Let her
soundboard.
explain.
Let her.
Okay.
Let
I'll
her
you
explain, please.
It's
Thank
like
you.
sweet and salty, and it's
Gosh.
good. It's just so good.
Okay, wait, no.
Okay.
You guys
Okay.
need to try
So
it.
that does not sound good. That's like putting pasta with ketchup.
Costco.
That's like no
hate
pasta.
sweet
Pasta.
and salty. I
Pasta.
hate it. They do not
I
go
love
together.
sweet and salty.
I tried like
So
you
bad.
know like
I like sweet and
What?
spicy.
You know,
I
like
don't like
fries.
Seafood boils, guys.
Oh my god, I want one so bad from Red Lobster.
Seafood boils are so good.
Some malfunctioning.
Sorry guys, we had some technical difficulties. We're back from the break. Okay, so we were talking about
So cold.
that you can about watermelon and mustard.
Yeah,
Yeah,
'cause
what?
I think it's
Please
good.
explain.
Sequence.
Well, I saw this thing. It was like
Sounds
brownies
disgusting.
and ranch. I
Oh
haven't
heck
tried
no.
Okay, stop.
Oh, no.
Okay, guys, stop.
That's
stop,
bad.
No.
I'm done.
Stop. Brownies and ranch and
Asa.
mustard and.
They're
I know,
like
I
on
said
the-
the biggest voice crack.
They're on like the
Brownies
same.
and
No.
ranch and mustard and watermelon
They're on the
are,
same level.
are the same to me.
Have
Yeah,
you guys
no.
made tangu?
Oh, I
Or
see
how
people
how do you
dip
say
like
it?
the
Wait, pause. Hey, have you guys had like the freeze dried like Jolly Rancher thing where you like mash them
Oh
all?
yeah.
That,
I've
that's-
seen
that's
that.
good, that's good.
what
Have you
about-
guys seen like the where people dip like their cheese sticks in jam and then
I've
they eat
seen
it?
that. That sounds
Ew.
so bad.
But like, why are you contaminating your jam with cheese?
That's disgusting.
Like what? Or like the cheese and peanut butter? Disgusting.
Mm-mm.
Get that away from me.
I would probably like the best, like, those. Oh my god, have you seen those corn dogs? Those Korean corn dogs?
Oh my god,
Oh, I see people trying
There's a place at
those.
the
you
mall
guys
that
seen,
like has them,
have you
and
guys
I
seen
want
the
to try
Korean
them so
soda?
bad.
Wait, what were you saying?
There's this place at
Oh,
the
like
mall
the ones
that
that are
has,
in the
like, Korean
bottle?
corn dogs,
Oh,
and
they do?
they look so good.
Wait, what were you saying, Asa?
He was talking about the
like
Korean
the
soda.
like the oh no, I think it's like Japanese soda.
Yeah, it's like Japanese soda.
I've
Oh,
had
where
that
you
before.
pop the marble
Yeah.
into it.
Yeah.
I drink that all the
Oh,
time.
okay.
It's really good.
It
I
is?
don't think I've ever had it.
What does it
I've
taste
had
like?
It's so you could get like different flavors. Like I
It's
like
like
the
some
There's like
lychee
blue
one.
raspberry, right?
I like there's blue raspberry. I like
like-
the lychee one.
Wait, but what does the marble do though?
It
pops-
just like
it just,
pops
like,
in.
It just pops. It.
Wait, is that the seal?
What?
Okay.
Is like the seal?
It like so like
Yeah,
there's this like
I
little thing.
think so.
You just like
That,
pop
like-
this little thing.
Bro, I
out
wish
there
this
and-
camp went longer. Like I wish
It's only
that
2
would be
days.
more time.
Yeah.
word.
Guys,
only
it's a
2 days.
podcast.
It's all right.
Well, there's still like the drop.
I'm looking for food.
Yeah.
Like I'm looking for food.
Okay,
She's looking
bro.
for
I
food.
tried making tang hulu with
I-
my friend, and it's just not.
That
it's, like,
looks
the
so
process
bad.
Is so
It looks
hard.
disgusting.
It's like
You
you
have
have
to,
to
like,
wait
boil
till
it
like
perfectly.
yeah,
Yeah.
you have to wait till the sugar's like the perfect temperature.
It just
to
looks
dip
like
it.
strawberry
It's
milk.
just too much work.
It's just like strawberry milk.
And, like,
I
if
don't
you
know.
put
You
it-
eat it in, like,
Bro,
one cup,
Alex's
just, like, a little bit.
Alex's cookie mug, cookie cake.
I
One of our
always
friends
want to
is
try
mug-
that.
One of our
It's
friends
so
has it.
bad.
I always
Yeah.
want to try doing
Like,
one
that
of
looks
those.
nasty.
It
Like,
does.
So we're
like,
talking about
everybody
our
was-
friend who makes mug cake, by the way.
Yeah.
yeah,
I've always wanted to try making one.
No.
I always see them.
everybody was texting on us saying, "Oh my god, that looks so good! Oh my god, I want to try." And I was like, "That looks nasty."
No.
Disgusting.
There's pancake cereal now.
Ew.
Oh,
no.
I've seen that.
No. Ew. Oh, it's probably like miniature pancakes.
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
just like,
Okay,
it's
guys,
from
guys,
this
guys.
brand
Guys.
called Belgian Boys, and they
Belgian
make really
Boys.
good. I eat their pancakes. They're really
you
good.
eat their pancake.
Okay, guys, what's the best type of cereal in your opinion?
Lucky Charms. Lucky Charms.
Yeah,
Lucky
Lucky
Charms.
Charms.
Bro,
are
Lucky
really
Charms, the only good part, like respectively, is the marshmallows, man. Like
Yeah.
the,
Yeah,
like
the
the actual cereal
marshmallows are
isn't
good.
good at all, man.
My siblings
Yeah, it
pick
just tastes like-
out the marshmallows.
Yeah,
And then
I
they
do
eat
too,
them?
bro. That's the only good part.
I
Oh.
eat it together because it's good together.
Yeah,
it
it
tastes
is.
good together.
Wait, do you guys have cereal with milk?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Okay,
Okay, guys.
Cereal
So I
before
don't.
milk or
No,
milk before
no,
cereal?
Milk, I mean, cereal before milk.
Yeah,
bro.
wait,
Wait,
cereal? You must
you
be
are a
crazy. Yeah,
psychopath
wait,
if
let's
you
go
put your
around.
milk
Let's
before
go
cereal.
around.
We should all go around.
Let's go.
Okay, Asa, you go first. Cereal before milk or milk before cereal?
Okay, no, what we should, okay, what's your favorite type of cereal and cereal before milk? So me personally, Cap and Crunch or whatever, that
Cap and
definitely, bro.
Crunch.
Cap and Crunch.
Eh,
And then
nah.
and then I put my cereal before my milk because I'm a good
Obviously.
person.
Alright, then.
Okay,
Because I'm a
guys,
good
Alright, so like my
'Cause I'm a
favorite,
good person.
cereal is like Fruit Loops, and I put my milk before, like after my cereal.
Yeah, after.
Yeah, so cereal first. Favorite, definitely, either Frosted Cheerios or Lucky Charms.
What are
and
Frosted
I put
Cheerios?
Like,
I
they're,
love
like,
Cheerios.
so
You mean
good.
Frosted
Like
Flakes?
Honey Nut Cheerios?
Frosted
No,
Cheerios
Frosted
are even
Flakes
better
are
than
so
Frosted
good.
Flakes. But
Frosted Flakes
and
are
I
so
do
good.
cereal, then I add the milk.
never
'Cause
had
if you
Frosted
do it
Flakes.
the other way, you're possessed.
Okay, my favorite cereal is probably like Lucky Charms, and I only have the cereal. I don't eat my
Yeah.
cereal with milk. It's like it makes
Really?
it soggy. It's
Yeah,
disgusting.
my favorite cereal is like Frosted Flakes. I really like Frosted Flakes.
Yeah,
Frosted
and
Flakes
then
are good.
you
I've
have
never heard
to
of Frosted Cheerios in my life.
Look, I'll show you
if
guys.
you
Frosted
don't put
Cheerios are
cereal,
so
if you put milk before your cereal,
Yeah, like
you're crazy.
if I
yeah,
do
you
have,
are. Like,
yeah,
if
what?
I do have
because then
milk,
how
what's
do
the
you
point?
know
Like,
how
yeah,
much
exactly, yeah,
cereal
yeah,
to
like,
put?
how do
Because
you
what if
know?
it's too much milk?
Oh yeah, I see those. Those are good. Those are good. Those are
okay, I
good. Those
got
are
These
good.
are
I
what
got
I.
it.
This is what I eat in the morning because I don't like eating breakfast in the morning. And
Me
this is
too.
what I eat.
I don't. I
usually
just
skip
I
What do you?
do
Okay,
not
okay,
get
wait,
myself
wait,
to
go,
eat.
go back, go back.
Unless it's like pancakes or something.
You said that you don't like eating breakfast in the morning.
I don't like
and
eating
then,
breakfast.
And then this is what I eat.
That's what you eat.
Huh?
What? You said that
No, I'm saying
you don't
like this
eating
is a
breakfast.
good breakfast in the morning
Yeah,
because
'cause
it's
she
plain
does-
and
yeah,
I don't
she
like
doesn't
eating,
love
like-
breakfast.
Yeah.
I like usually skip breakfast. Like I didn't
Yeah,
eat breakfast.
Lucy,
Same.
I
I
kinda
skip
wanna
it all
skip
like during
breakfast.
school.
My
I
mom
do
makes
not
me eat it. So.
During school, I have to eat breakfast, but
your
during the
foot?
weekends,
Stop
I usually
kicking
skip
me.
it.
You
Stop.
literally kicked me first, bro.
I didn't kick
I like lunch.
cutting my
Wait,
foot
Down
there.
toddlers.
Guys, favorite meal of the
Wow.
day. Lunch, definitely
lunch or dinner.
Because I
Not
can eat
breakfast,
anything for
not
lunch.
breakfast. Yeah, because you can eat anything, but you can also have like breakfast for
You could
dinner.
have brunch.
So.
You could have like I can have sushi at 12.
exactly.
And-
But I can't
I
have
could have
sushi
steak.
at,
I
like,
could have
9
a
in the
burger
morning.
at lunch.
Yeah.
Or
I
later
never-
at night I want to eat
I
something
can have
like
pizza.
Yeah.
At
I-
Lola.
I never
The
eat
only
lunch
food,
at
the
12.
only food that like I can't really eat like like one food just like only at breakfast.
Oh yeah, no.
I
'Cause
need
I
multiple
would just get
things.
bored. Like
Word.
the same thing.
Okay, wait.
I
But
used to have
waffles
pancakes
or
for
pancakes?
Oh, waffles.
Pancakes.
Okay. The only reason I personally think that they're both the same, but the only reason why I slightly go towards waffles is because of the holes that you can put the syrup in.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Oh yeah, I don't
All
like
right.
waffles though that much.
All right, we're gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys for listening.
Bye.
Peace out.
Bye.